Who wants some bread? Bread is so yummy. It is nutritious. Isn't that delicious? Who wants to fight for bread? Now, to be fair, Lily, I will drop it in your general direction, but you have to be fast because Toka will snatch it. Oh, Lily, it's right. Oh. Okay.
You can't do that to Lily.
Lily, you better go fast. There you go, Lily. Good job, Toka. You shared. You shared.
You shared.
Who's gonna get it first? Toka, you greedy, selfish, little snake of a
You
dog.
put it right next to him.
Alright, well,
Look.
fine. It should be Lily's turn now.
Huh? I want to give her some.
Oh.
Ow. Almost bit my finger off.
Yum, yum. You guys have no interest in me anymore. Except for Lily. And the kitty! Kitty, kitty!